Today's going to be a different video. Today we're going to talk about cleaning products. Yes, that's right, cleaning products. Not for your face or makeup or anything like that, but for your house. I love watching these videos because I love to see what other people use. Because I'm always looking for like bargains and things like that. I'm not using like perfumey stuff and everything that makes my house smell good. I'm using things that clean the house, like actually clean. I'll tell you my household makeup so you understand where I'm coming from. There's myself, my mom, and 3 cats, 2 of whom are elderly, and an elderly little Papillon dog that's smaller than any of the cats. So, yeah, that's where I'm coming from. So like I said, I just like to watch other people and what they use and different ideas. So, first of all, there's the Clorox toilet wand refills. This is like so you clean your toilet and you throw it away. Just the end part you throw away. Wash the stick off, put the stick back in the little holder. Yay. I like this because it's so much cleaner. You don't have to like clean a brush or anything. It's a wand. You can just take one of those little Clorox Lysol wipes. The Clorox ones are way too small and stuff. The Lysol wipes, they're much thicker. But you take these, clean off the little wand, everything's clean. You don't have something gross that's been in your toilet sitting around. So I really like these. I've bought many, many, many of those. Now the Lysol wipes. Yes, I use Lysol wipes. I like bleach. I like disinfecting stuff. I live in a house that has ants. So if you're not really careful, you'll have ants everywhere. So, by the way, a good way to get rid of ants is vinegar. They hate it. When you finish with all the wipes, what I like to do is the liquid that's left in here, the disinfectant cleaning liquid, I like to use it to mop with. It's really good for the floors. Okay, if you have a spot on your linoleum and you use one of these wipes, it will get it up. Okay? But, yeah, I like to mop with it. I mean, it's not like you can mop with it all the time. But whatever's left, I'll use for something else. Whether it's like cleaning something in the bathroom or mopping the floor or something like that. Nothing goes to waste around here. And then let's talk about laundry. This is my favorite laundry detergent. It's the Purex Baby. I really like this one. It smells like clean baby. It's so good. I used to only use it for the blankets. But I've just got to the point where it's like, I don't want detergent for this and detergent for that and whatever and everything. So I just use this for everything. No babies in the house. But dang, it smells good. And it really gets the laundry clean. I like to use the Ultra Snuggle Blue Sparkle. This is the softener that I like to use. I use a lot of softener because I hang dry a lot of our laundry. I got a new dryer. Yay! But, you know, the thing about it is that it uses electricity, whatever. And a lot of our clothes don't need to be dried in a dryer. We can just hang it. And I have like this huge rack that's like as big as a twin bed. And you just set that up, dry tons of clothes that way. And it's all natural. You don't have to waste electricity, nothing. It just, so, but this is really good. I really like it. It smells so good. No, it doesn't, it's not really that it smells so good. It's that it's so non-offensive. I hate the smell of most fabric softener. I don't like anything that says ocean or water or aqua or any of that. And I don't like anything that has floral in it. I wear perfume for a reason, because I want to smell like something, not because, whatever. And this seems to be the most non-offensive. It doesn't have like some overwhelming scent, and it doesn't have some sour water scent. So I also use the fabric softener, not the fabric softener, but the sheets, the dryer sheets, yeah, I use those in Blue Sparkle as well. Sometimes I'll get the Gain ones, because like if I'm at the Dollar Tree or something, they have Gain. I'll get that if I'm like in an emergency, but I prefer the Blue Sparkle dryer sheets. I don't have an empty of those. And lastly, with laundry, I use Clorox. This is the splashless, so it's thicker. And oh yeah, I use lots of bleach. And I don't get the scented bleach either. I like the regular bleach. If my house doesn't smell like bleach, I feel like it's not clean. I'm that person, okay? It's like, I like my house to smell like bleach. It feels clean that way. Okay, so this is all of my cleaning supplies. The other thing I wanted to comment on is Walmart. From my house, I look out here, I can see the Dollar Tree, Rite Aid, and 1 block away is Walmart. So obviously these are the places I shop the most. And I have started using their brand Great Value, and these are the tall kitchen bags, and I always had like a thing, I was never going to use them. Never, never, never. Because I was like, oh, they're just going to break. They're just going to tear. I don't use generic trash bags. No way. And I was in a situation one time. I needed trash bags. And I was there. And it was just like, they just had these huge boxes of trash bags. And I did not want a huge box of trash bags. Because I would have had them forever. Because it's just me and my mom. That's it. So I got one of these boxes, which is like 45 bags. And I was like, wow. I mean, they were good bags. They didn't tear. There was no spillage. Nothing. They worked great. These are better than some of the other name brand bags that I've bought. So I fully intend on buying these again and stop being such a snob. So, that is my cleaning supplies and household items that I use. And now you're probably going to think that I'm a weirdo for sharing all of my trash. But I'm a weirdo. So, if this is a video that you like to watch, hit like so I know, so I'll, save my trash again. And hit subscribe so you can see the video of me saving my trash again. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!